What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie. Today I have for you a clean with me video. It's been so long since I've done a clean with me video, so I've decided to finally film one for you guys. I feel like the apartment is almost ready to finally film a apartment tour, so that's hopefully coming to you guys really soon. But yeah, today I want to deep clean everything, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm going to start with the bedroom just because I personally like going room to room, and this is the easiest and quickest room that I can clean. So let's get to it.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
you like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone. That's his why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea, because reality is finally better than truth. You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone.
All right, so I finished cleaning the bedroom and also my bathroom. Now moving on to the living room and kitchen. So this is the current situation. We have to fold some laundry, put everything away, and then we have here the comforter that we just washed and all of this mess. So yeah, let's get to cleaning.
He's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because reality is enough.
All right, I still have a long way to go, but the kitchen is clean. I need to tackle the living room and also my beauty room and the guest bathroom. But I tend to forget to eat, especially on days like these, like I've mentioned to you guys, where I have so much to do. I'm personally the type that I'd rather finish my task and then eat, but since I don't have to go through the hassle of making a meal because I have my Freshly meals ready in the fridge to just heat up in 3 minutes, which I'm going to show you guys. Today's video is sponsored by Freshly, so I already shared some of my favorites, but I'm going to share the ones that I have right here that I've been trying and absolutely loving. All right, so here is my order for the week of my Freshly meals. If you guys don't know, Freshly is a weekly subscription service that delivers fresh, not frozen, chef-cooked meals. Share some of my favorites on a previous vlog, but I decided to get some new ones to try out because I personally am enjoying these. The fact that you just need to heat these up for 3 minutes, either in the microwave or oven, it's so life-changing for days like today where I have so many things to do and I can only take a small, quick break. So if you guys have been working from home or just want quick, easy, healthy meals, this is the way to go, you guys. They gave me a discount code, which I'll list down below and also on the screen right here for you guys. If you use Nathalie40, you can get $40 off your first 2 weeks, but you can order 4, 6, 10, or 12 meals per week, starting at $8.49 per meal, which I think is an amazing price. So like I mentioned, this one is one of my favorites. I absolutely love the cauliflower shell beef bolognese. Love this so much. I've also been loving the zingy buffalo chicken with loaded cauliflower. Kind of looks like mashed potatoes, but you know, in a fit way, super healthy. By the way, they have different like meal plans for you guys. So if you're going more on the fit route or keto friendly, you can also check those out. This one is also a really good one. Citrus Kiss Orange Chicken, beef lasagna. I tried this one and you guys, so delicious. I think I'm gonna have it today. Homemade chicken with mac and cheese. This one is the golden oven fried chicken and mash, and protein packed chicken parm with mozzarella and broccoli. I think I'm gonna do this one. So let's heat it up on the microwave for 3 minutes. All right, just finished eating. As you can tell, this is another one I really enjoyed. So again, I highly recommend Freshly for you guys if you are interested in getting weekly meals, fresh and healthy, chef made. Make sure to use Nathalie40 at checkout to get $40 off your first 2 weeks. But another great thing that I want to mention about Freshly is that you don't have to dirty any plates, because this is the thing that you put in the microwave and it just cooks everything really nicely. With that being said, let's continue to clean. Alright, so I just finished mopping the floor, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently got a steam mop, which I had no idea how to use. So I actually asked you guys on Instagram if I bought a steam mop, if I could just replace my regular mop, and a lot of you guys said no. So the way that I've been cleaning recently is basically just mopping like normal and steam afterwards so I can really deep clean, which I've been loving. The only negative thing that I have to say about it is the fact that it's not cordless. So yeah, you have to like walk around with the cord everywhere. But the cord is actually really long, so I don't have to necessarily plug it in every single room. It does extend nicely. But overall, 10 out of 10, highly recommend if you guys are looking for a steam mop. This is a great one. I'll link it down below for you guys. So yeah, like I mentioned, I like to deep clean by mopping first and then use a steam mop. But if I just want to like spot clean really quickly, I would use the steam mop because it leaves the floor feeling and looking super like shiny and clean. Like it just feels different than just the mop, all jokes aside. So I do notice a difference when I use this. Alright, so I just finished cleaning. There's honestly nothing that feels better than a clean home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Freshly. It's honestly been such a lifesaver for me, and I know it will for you as well. Make sure to use my discount code, which I'll list down below as well as the link, and I'll also link everything that I use on today's cleaning video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye! Una poesía entregas tu corazón.